Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. At first subject for mobile, new mobile Oppo A15 or A15 base CPI 2185 full RAM file unlocked to 100% trusted. If mobile hang logo or password ever key remove unlock tool set mobile is auto on off or dead mobile just unlock tool the full flash my file is 100% working this version A67 okay update version download now okay no problem I am promised this file 100% working but paid file not free. Next, Infinix X6525 MDM file remote just online service IME. Okay. And WhatsApp emo Charter 24-hour service. Next, TCL 10Plus file update 100% trusted. This Qualcomm CPU, this file and working 100% trusted. Now we see WhatsApp emo chat now 24-hour service. Next, Oppo A12 CPI 2083 MDM SIM network unlock file 100% trusted. Now we see down, mouse the down and download. Now this permanently solution MDM plus network unlock file permanently solution no problem this file 100% working. Next Oppo 55 CPI 2239 MDM SIM network unlock file 100% working. Okay clear. Okay next Oppo okay this file my file at first my YouTube channel subscriber like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. No confused. Your description no link just link WhatsApp and YouTube comment box check now and comment box no link just email WhatsApp start now. Now your emergency your file link any file link emergency a bus just any browser open. And Borsha mobile. Now you see Borsha mobile. Just click now. Any file. Just any click. Okay. Now see A54. Now download. Search now. Okay. Now one click and file. This file download. Email on WhatsApp. Not 24 hours. Goodbye.